Welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring the Brother P-Touch PTH110 label maker, a compact and versatile tool for anyone looking to organize on the go. Whether for home, office, or personal projects, this portable label maker offers quick, efficient labeling with lots of customization options. Let's dive into how it can simplify your organizing needs. The Brother P-Touch PTH110 label maker is designed for easy, portable use. Weighing only 1 pound, it's lightweight and can go anywhere, making it perfect for labeling on the go. This label maker uses thermal transfer technology, so no ink is needed, just Brother Genuine TZE tapes. These tapes come in various types and colors, ensuring versatility for every task, from office labeling to personal projects. With a user-friendly QWERTY keyboard, the PTH110 makes typing labels fast and accurate. You can print 1 or 2 lines of text on labels up to 12 millimeters wide, which is ideal for everything from file folders to cables. Plus, the Easy View graphical display lets users preview each label before printing, reducing mistakes and saving time. The built-in memory is another handy feature, storing up to 15 labels for quick reprints whenever needed. Customization is a major strength of this label maker. It offers 3 fonts, 14 frames, and over 250 symbols, allowing users to create professional and personalized labels. One-touch keys make it easy to adjust font sizes and styles, giving you more control over the final look. It's powered by 6 AAA batteries, or you can use an optional AC adapter, making it convenient to use in any setting. And that's a wrap on our review of the Brother P-Touch PTH110 label maker. With its portability, ease of use, and rich features, it's a fantastic tool for anyone looking to stay organized. Ready to get your hands on one? Check out the link in the description to order yours today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more product reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.